can I get 20% on channels 1 and 3? Okay, check 1, check 2. I know this might be overwhelming, but are you okay to continue?
Yes, I am.
Now home channels 1 and 3. Now if we can get maybe 30% on channels 2 and 4, please. Maybe a slight 5% bump on responsiveness with channel 2. Check 1, check 2. Yep, perfect. Home channels 2 and 4, please. Can you get me channel 5 x-axis -1, please? Okay, now limit 1 and home. Now can you give me channel 6 y-axis and +1? Okay, now limit 1. Now restoring full control back to you. How do you feel? Have a look around. Everything okay?
Never been better.
Oh, you're back to doing quotes now. Haven't done those in a while.